Unit 2 Post-Assessment Adding and Subtracting Fractions. Find equivalent fractions with common denominators and use them to add or subtract the fractions. 1/5 plus 2/5. If they have a common denominator, you can just add them. If they don't have a common denominator, then you have to find a common denominator, and you can use your calculator. Common denominator, you can just subtract them. Common denominator, you can subtract them, or you can put these in your calculator, and you can always use your calculator to check your work. Find the following: 1/3 of 24, 1/3 times 24. You can use your calculator to help you. Sasha ran 2/3 of a 27-kilometer race before she stopped to walk. How many kilometers had she run at this point? So it's 2/3 of 27. Same thing, you can take 2/3 times 27. The last two questions are 2 3/4 plus something equals 3. On this question, you should be thinking 2 whole circles plus 3/4 of a circle, 3 out of the 4 pieces colored in. How much is left that would make 3 whole if it were colored in? So how much is this piece right there? If this is 3/4, how much would this piece be? 2 1/3 minus something equals 1. Same thing, you could draw it. 2 1/3. If I took some away and it would equal 1, let's say I took these away, how much did I take away so that 1 is what it's equal to? Okay, number 5. Connor gathered dry ingredients to make a large pan of brownies. He mixed 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 2/3 cups of flour, and 1 1/6 cups of nuts together before adding the other ingredients. How many cups of dry ingredients did he mix? Let's circle all the different things he added. 1 1/4, 2 2/3, 1 1/6. You could write these all out and find a common denominator and add them all together. How many cups? What do you think that means? Do you think you are adding or do you think you are subtracting? 6. Dawn enjoys exercising on the hiking trail by her house. She ran 2/5 of the trail on Monday and 1/3 of the trail on Tuesday. How much of the trail had she covered on those 2 days? So you need to know, are you adding these or are you subtracting them? So it's going to be 2/5 plus or minus 1/3. And then what does it equal? Now, did Dawn run farther on Monday or Tuesday? So you need to choose. Is it Monday or is it Tuesday? And read the question and find out. She ran 2/5 of the trail on Monday, 1/3 of the trail on Tuesday. Once you know the answer, you can know which one would be farther. And you're either going to add or subtract these two numbers to figure out which one is farther or figure out how much farther. Good luck.